In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove your face. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about this really creepy but really cool effect where you can completely remove your face from the shot. So once you've got your footage loaded inside of Adobe After Effects, we want to go ahead and create a brand new black solid. So go into Layer, New, Solid, and make sure this is black. We're just going to disable this, so we'll just turn the eye off, and then we'll go up into the circle mask and draw a mask around our face. Now we'll create a brand new keyframe, scroll across, update the mask, and we just basically want to keep doing this throughout our entire shot and make sure that our face is covered throughout the entire shot. And now once you've animated that black solid to follow your face throughout the entire shot, you want to go into the mask and you want to increase the feather. This is just basically going to blur those edges and make this effect look seamless. So we're just going to take this back to the beginning, and I'm just going to clean up this effect and make sure that we can't see the face. And now if we play this back, we have this really creepy but really powerful effect that we can use in our horror films. And that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for more really creepy Halloween tutorials. See you there.